Hello, friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. My name is Vikas. How are you all today? Today's session will be very good and it will give you a tremendous information and will help you a lot for preparing your government exams. But before that, we have something interesting to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to the this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from it, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events they are that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. All you have to do is go and purchase the course. If you are a new aspirant, you can take course for 2 years, and if you are a previous aspirant and you have continued your preparation, then you can choose the course as per your wish. Another additional information you should know while buying the course, if you use the code Vikas10, and we have bought this code just for you, use the code Vikas10 and my friends, you will be getting straight 10% discount on the purchase you made. Okay, straight 10% discount just for you. So friends, let's start with the video. In today's video, we'll be looking at some of the important appointments of January 2021. First, we are looking at P. Ravi Kumar. Who is he? He was an IAS officer. Okay, and he has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Karnataka. He has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Karnataka. Okay, P. Ravi Kumar. Then he is the 38th Chief Secretary. He is the 38th Chief Secretary of Karnataka, and he will be succeeding whom? TM Vijay Bhaskar. Okay, he will be succeeding TM Vijay Bhaskar. I repeat, first appointment is our P. Ravi Kumar. He is an IAS officer. He will be appointed as the Chief Secretary of Karnataka, and he is the 38th Chief Secretary of Karnataka. Moving on to the next. Second is our Suneet Sharma. Suneet Sharma. Suneet Sharma is being appointed as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board. CEO and Chairman of Railway Board. Okay. He will succeed whom? He will succeed VK Yadav. VK Yadav. All right. Then next is our Soma Mandal. Soma Mandal. Okay. She will be appointed as the chairman of SAIL. She will be appointed as the chairman of SAIL. What is SAIL? SAIL is your Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited. Then she is the first woman chairperson of SAIL. First women chairperson of SAIL. Okay. Important question can be asked. Then whom she will succeed? She will succeed Anil Kumar Chaudhary. Anil Kumar Chaudhary. All right. Then next is your Major General Gautam Chauhan. Major General Gautam Chauhan. Okay. About him, he will be appointed as the Additional Director General of Indian Army. That is ADG of Indian Army. All right. Then you should also remember, Indian Army created a new human rights cell at its headquarters. A new human rights cell at its headquarters, that is New Delhi. Okay. And Gautam General Chauhan as the first ADG of Human Rights Cell. Okay. Additional Director General of the new Human Rights Cell. He is that is Major General Gautam Chauhan. He is the first ADG of this Human Rights Cell. Okay. Then next is your Abhishek Yadav. Fifth appointment is your Abhishek Yadav. Abhishek Yadav. Okay. You must know that he is a former Indian footballer. Former Indian footballer. Okay. About him, he has been appointed as the Deputy General Secretary of AIFF. That is your All India Football Federation. He has been appointed as the Deputy General Secretary of AIFF. What is AIFF? AIFF is your All India Football Federation. Okay. And he has been appointed as the first Deputy General of Football, All India Football. He is the first. Means this position has been appointed to this is the first position. Okay. First Deputy General Secretary of AIFF. Okay. Then next, sixth is your Sanjay Kapoor. Sixth is your Sanjay Kapoor. Not the hero, not the actor. Okay. He has been appointed as the president. He has been appointed as president of the All India Chess Federation of AICF. That is All India Chess Federation. Okay. About him, he became the youngest president of AICF. That is the youngest president of AICF. Then Bharat Singh Chauhan has been elected as the Secretary General for the third time of AICF. That is Bharat Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the Secretary for third time. Okay. Straight away for the third time, Bharat Singh has been appointed as the Secretary of AICF. Then Naresh Sharma has been appointed as the Treasurer. Naresh Sharma has been appointed as treasurer of AICF. Then next is your Dr. Rabi Narayan Mishra. Dr. Rabi Narayan Mishra. Dr. Rabi Narayan Mishra. He has been appointed as a full-time director. First remember, full-time director of College of Supervisors. Full-time director of College of Supervisors. And this College of Supervisors has been set up by RBI, that is your Reserve Bank of India. Okay, please do take all these notes. These are the important questions these are the important appointments of the January month of 2021. Okay, then next we'll be looking at 8th appointment is our Sandeep Agarwal. Sandeep Agarwal. Sandeep Agarwal has been appointed as the chairman of Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council. He has been appointed as the chairman of Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council. Okay, Sandeep Agarwal. Then next is your Vishwanir Ahuja. Vishwanir Ahuja. He has been appointed as the MD and CEO of RBL Bank. Okay, he has been appointed as MD and CEO of RBL Bank, and he has been appointed for term of 33 years that will be starting from June 2021. Okay, he will be starting his tenure from June 2021. Next, 10th appointment we'll be looking at is our Siddharth Mohanty. Siddharth Mohanty. Who he? He has been appointed as the MD, that is the Managing Director of LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Siddharth Mohanty. Then 11th is our Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar has been appointed as the chairman and MD of TCIL. As MD and CEO of TCIL. Your homework is to tell me the full form of TCIL. Okay, this is your homework. Tell me the full form of TCIL. Then next, 12th appointment is our Geeta Mittal. Geeta Mittal. Geeta Mittal. She has been appointed as the chairman of BCC. As the chairman of BCC. BCCC. BCCC here stands for Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. I repeat, Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. Alright. Also, she became the first chairperson of, means she became the first women chairperson of BCCC, that is of this council. Alright, Geeta Mittal. Then next, 13th is your Jayati Ghosh. Jayati. Jayati Ghosh. Jayati Ghosh has been appointed as a high-level advisory board member of Economic and Social Affairs. She has been appointed as a high-level advisory board member, okay, of Economic and Social Affairs. Economic and Social Affairs. Alright, Jayati Ghosh. Then next is your Swaminathan Janakiran. Swami. This question or this appointment has been done ample number of times, so you should know it. Swaminathan Jana Kiraman and Ashwini Kumar Tiwari. Ashwini Kumar Tiwari. These both appointment is of SBI and they both has been appointed as the MD of SBI, that is State Bank of India. Okay, Managing Director of State Bank of India, Swaminathan Janakiraman and Ashwini Kumar Tiwari. All right. Then next, 15th appointment. Our 15th appointment is J.K. Shivan. J.K. Shivan. J.K. Shivan has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Dhanlaxmi Bank. MD and CEO of Dhanlaxmi Bank. Dhanlaxmi Bank. All right. Where is the headquarter of Dhanlaxmi Bank? It is in Kerala. And whom he replaced? He replaced Sunil Gurbaksani. He replaced Sunil Gurbaksani. All right. Then next is our Joseph R. Biden. Joseph, you should also know this. Who is Biden? Joe Biden. He became the president of United States of America, also known as Joe Biden. All right. He has been appointed as the president of USA. Okay. He replaced whom? He replaced Donald Trump. Okay. Then from this only you should know Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris has become the first woman and the first South Asian origin as a vice president. First women vice president and first women from South Asia, okay, to become the vice president of USA. All right. Next appointment is your Faustin Archange Tondra. Faustin Archange Tudera. All right. He has been appointed as the president of Central African Republic. He has been appointed president of Central African Republic. All right. And this is his second term as president. Second term as president. All right. Then next, 18th appointment is your Japarov Sider. Japarov Sider, he has also been appointed as the president of Kyrgyzstan. Okay. Kyrgyzstan. He replaced whom? He replaced Surobe Jinbekov. Surobe Jinbekov. Okay, he replaced, let's write it again, Janbekov. The important term to remember is here Japarov Sider only, because he has been appointed as the president of Kyrgyzstan. Then our next appointment for the day is Yoweri Kaguta. All right, Yoweri Kaguta. He has been appointed as the president of Uganda. Okay, he has been appointed as the president of Uganda, and he has been reappointed as for 6th term. This is his 6th term. All right. Next is your Kaja Kallas. Next is your Kaja Kallas. Kaja Kallas. He has been appointed as the prime minister of Estonia. Okay, and she has been appointed as the first female PM of the country. First female PM of the country. This question is most important because she has been the first female PM of the country of Estonia, that is Kaja Kallas. Alright, these were some of your appointments. Now we'll be looking at some of the resignations of Jan 2021. Alright, the first resignation is of Juri Ratas. Juri Ratas. Juri Ratas has been resigned from, he has resigned from the PM of Estonia. PM of Estonia. We just saw that from Estonia, Kaja Kallas became the first PM or the first female PM of Estonia. And she replaced whom? Juri Ratas. Second is your Ukhana Kurleshik. Ukhana Kurlushk. He was removed from the PM, or he gave the resignation from PM, that is your Prime Minister of Mongolia. Okay, from the Prime Minister post of Mongolia. Now let's revise. These were some of your resignation. Now once revise all the appointments and the resignation we did, and it will help you again. It will be a quick revision. First appointment was P. Ravi Kumar. He was an IAS officer. He has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Karnataka. He is the 38th Chief Secretary and he replaced T.M. Vijay Bhaskar. Then second appointment was Suneet Sharma. He has been appointed as the CEO and the Chairman of Railway Board. He replaced V.K. Yadav. Soma Mandal, she has been appointed as the Chairman of SAIL. She is the first women chairperson of the SAIL and she succeeded Anil Kumar Chaudhary. Important question to remember, because she is the first women chairperson of SAIL. Next is your Major General Gautam Chauhan. He has been appointed as the ADG, that is Additional Director General of Indian Army, and a new human rights cell was set up at New Delhi, whose headquarters is at New Delhi, and the Major General Gautam Chauhan was the first ADG of this human rights cell. Next is your Abhishek Yadav. Abhishek Yadav is a former Indian footballer and he has been appointed as the Deputy General Secretary of AIFF, that is your All India Football Federation. Also, the first Deputy General Secretary of AIFF, that is your Abhishek Yadav. Next is your Sanjay Kapoor. Sanjay Kapoor has been appointed as the President of AICF, that is your All India Chess Federation. He is the youngest president of AICF, and Bharat Singh Chauhan is the secretary for the third time. Bharat Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the secretary for the third time, and Naresh Sharma has been appointed as the treasurer of AICF. Next is your Dr. Rabi Narayan Mishra. Dr. Rabi Narayan Mishra has been appointed as a full-time director of College of Supervisors, which was set up by RBI. Then Sandeep Kumar Agarwal. Sandeep Agarwal has been appointed as the chairman of Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council. Alright, next, Vishwanair Ahuja. He has been appointed as the MD and CEO of RBL Bank for 3 years. His tenure will be starting from June 2021. Next is your Siddharth Mohanty. He has been appointed as the MD of LIC. Siddharth Mohanty. Alright, then Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar has been appointed as MD and CEO of TCIL. You have to tell me what is the full form of TCIL. Okay, next, Geeta Mittal. Geeta Mittal has been appointed as the chairman of BCC and she is the first women chairperson of BCCC. This is important. Mark it important. Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. BCC stands for Broadcasting Content Complaints Council, and she is the first women chairperson of BCCC. Then next is your Jayati Ghosh. Jayati Ghosh is the high level advisory board member. She has been appointed as the high level advisory board member of Economic and Social Affairs. Who? Jayati Ghosh. Next, Swaminathan Janakiraman and Ashwani Kumar Tiwari. They both have been appointed as the MD of SBI. Okay, next, J.K. Shivan. J.K. Shivan has been appointed as MD and CEO of Dhanlaxmi Bank. The headquarter of Dhanlaxmi Bank is in Kerala and he replaced Sunil Gurbakshani. Alright, next, Joseph R. Biden, also known as Joe Biden. Joseph R. Biden or Joe Biden has been appointed as the president of USA and he replaced Donald Trump. First women vice president was Kamala Harris and she is the first woman from South Asia. Also tell me what is the number, which number president? Number of president. Okay, like which on the list, which is the number of president of USA? Joe Biden has become the president of USA. What is the number of it? Okay, tell me that. Next, Faustin R. Tondra, he has been appointed as the president of Central African Republic. This is the second term of him as a president. Next is your Japarov Sider. He also been appointed as the president of Kyrgyzstan and he replaced Surnabe Janikebov. Next is your Yoweri Kaguta. Yoweri Kaguta has been appointed as the president of Uganda for the sixth time. Okay, this is his sixth term. Next is your Kaja Kallas. He has been also appointed as the Kaja Kallas is a woman and she has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Estonia and she is the first female PM of the country. I repeat, she became the first female PM of the country. Next is your resignation. If we talk about, there were resignation. Juri Ratas, Juri Ratas was removed from the PM of Estonia and as we just saw, Kaja Kallas became the first woman PM of the country of Estonia. Next was your Ukhana Kurtesh from PM of Mongolia. He resigned from the PM of Mongolia. Okay, these were some of your resignation and we'll be bringing the resignation of Feb soon. Apart from this, I just want to tell you one more thing. Yesterday we made a video on yesterday there was a question. I taught you a question that about world games. Okay, world games will be, there was some of the confusion, like I told you, world games will be held in Birmingham. This is an important question. We all know Birmingham is in UK. Okay, but you should also know that Birmingham is also a city in Alabama in USA. All right, and the world games will be taking place in Alabama, USA, not UK. So do correct it, or if you are unaware of it, please do correct your notes that Alabama, USA is the place where we'll be having Alabama, USA, Birmingham is the place where we'll be having world games of 2022. All right, not the Birmingham of UK. Birmingham is in UK also and it is in Alabama, USA also. We won't be having world games in the UK Birmingham. We will be having Birmingham, Alabama, USA. So please do correct it. It was taught yesterday in the weekly current affairs of the March. So please, many of your students corrected the wrong answer saying that it was in UK, it was in UK. But my friends, it is in USA right now. Okay, Birmingham, USA, Alabama. Okay, so that's all for the day. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do like to the video, also share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel. It will help us a lot and it will motivate us to bring more and more better content for you guys. Vikas signing off.